Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to undelete a doctor. The undelete function is used for restoring a practitioner after it has been deleted from the system. When a practitioner leaves a practice and returns or is placed in a similar position at the practice, this function will be used. From the diary screen, proceed and click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Now click on the configuration segment. The cache register management screen will then open. Click on the doctor tab on the navigation bar. From here, go ahead and click on the filter doctors field and type the name of the practitioner whose details the user would like to make changes to from the list that will become available. Click on the edit button next to the preferred practitioner's name to edit the details of a specific practitioner. The add update doctor screen will open. Please note that the warning will display at the top of the Add Update Doctor screen to advise that changing the details of the practitioner will update the information of all the doctor types the practitioner is linked to. The user may click on the Undelete button to re-enable the desired practitioner on the doctor's list. Please note that the Undelete button will change to Delete. For more information on how to change the doctor's status to disabled on the doctor's list, please refer to the following Delete a Doctor user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Cancel button to exit the Add Update Doctor screen without disabling the practitioner on the doctor list and return to the doctor list screen. Click on the Save button to delete or in other words disable the practitioner and to return to the doctor list screen. Click on the Close button on the doctor screen to return to the cache register screen.